Today we are going to get you summer ready brows with the Brow Makeover Kit from Brow Bar by Rima. We will complete the brows in 3 easy steps by starting with using the angled brush and the eyebrow powders. Use whichever shade works best for you, but I like to start light and then build up to a darker color. For step 2, take the brow mascara gel and you can comb your brow hairs and lock them in place and give them a little bit more definition. Step 3 is going to be concealing under the brow using the brow lift that also acts as a natural highlighter. Blend it into the skin and then we're on to the next brow in easy as 1, 2, 3, starting with the brow powder, moving on to the brow mascara, and then finishing out with the brow lift to conceal and define.